This is CPM Calculus Chapter 4, number 57. Alright, so we're looking at Matteo and Ignacio who want to calculate the integral from -2 to -5 of f of x dx. And they know that f of x is an even function. Alright, so that means the y-axis is like a mirror, right? Or it also means f of -x is equal to f of x. Okay, even function. Alright. They know one thing. They know that the integral from 2 to 5 is -3. So Matteo thinks that the answer from the integral from -2 to -5 is -3, while Ignacio thinks that the answer is +3. Who's correct? And let's explain why. Alright. So let's look at a graph of this. So we know that the integral from 2 to 5, this is what we're given, of f of x dx is equal to -3. Alright. So that means over here from 2 to 5, we have some negative area. Okay, so let me just draw it below here, whatever it looks like, right? Like this. And we also know f of x is even, right? So that means it should look the same on the left, right? If I can do that, where this point is -2, and this point here is -5, right? The y-axis is like a mirror, and this is our function. The area described by the integral from 2 to 5 is down here, right? And that we know is -3 units squared, all right? So then we're asked, well, what is the area or the integral, again, from -2 to -5 of f of x dx, right? Well, the thing to note is, if we were to look at this picture, the area from 2 to 5 is equal to the area from -5 to -2. Okay, so let me write that here. The integral from -5 to -2, right, going from left to right of our function is also equal to -3, right? These are equal to each other. Like these regions are equal to each other, okay, because it's an even function, because f of x is even, right? But if we wanted to change the boundary order, right, if we want to go ahead and go from -2 to -5 and switch these indices, we know that that is not equal to -3 anymore. That's equal to negative of -3, right? It's the opposite, which is +3. So this is our work, right? This is how we can go ahead and explain it. And who is correct? Well, Matteo thought it was -3. Matteo is wrong, right? So it's not Matteo, right? Because it's not -3. Ignacio thinks it would be +3. Yes, Ignacio thinks it's +3. Ignacio is right. So therefore, Ignacio is correct. Okay? Because just remember, when you change the order of these indices, then we also have to change the sign, right? -3 becomes +3. Alright, so this ends for CPM Calculus Chapter 4, number 57.